Hey guys, it's Lo here from Nino and Lo with a recap about my begonias. I had done a video a while back about before and after with my begonia plants, and I just wanted to give you an update of what they're like now and how they're looking. So let's jump right in and get to the video. Just as a little recap, a couple months ago, I transplanted these begonias because I felt that they were overgrown in the pot. And they weren't looking too great. They were kind of spindly. The color wasn't really there. So I broke them up into 3 bunches and thought, let's see how well they're going to do in these little pots. It's been several months later and here they are. They're looking fantastic. This Rex begonia is called Salsa. It has a vibrant color. This was the one that was in the original video that had lost its color. So now it's been out on my front porch getting lots of sunlight and the color has definitely returned. Mind you, the sunlight is quite filtered. They're not out there burning up or anything. And I feel that they love where they're located out there. Now, this is a newer begonia that I bought, and it has kind of a bluish gray tinged leaf, and it's called Satin Jazz. This one currently is in bloom, has pretty little pink flowers, and this one is really a nice soft color, and I love the way that it looks on the plant stand. Really like this one. So this is my newest purchase. I couldn't resist this begonia. This one is called Cowardly Lion, and I just love the different colors on the leaves, that vibrant green and all that movement in the leaf. I just really couldn't resist buying this one. And it's kind of has a mounding habit. So you really don't see the stems underneath. It's just a mountain of leaves. Really love this one. Now this is another little one I had from last year called Red Bull. Rex begonia Red Bull. This one overwintered quite nicely. It very much stayed the same, except the redness in the leaf wasn't as vibrant as it is now, because now it's on the plant stand getting that filtered light and just loving its life out there. So this one, it hasn't really grown much. It stays pretty compact in the little pot that I have it planted in with this coleus, but it's really doing well out there. Now this is a part of the plant that I transplanted that didn't bloom, but it looks like there's a little bit of life happening inside there, and I might get a bloom out of it yet. Well, that's it for my quick update, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and happy gardening, everybody. See you next time.